Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come.